Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to disable auto brightness. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, in order for you to disable auto brightness, you have to swipe down and tap on this gear icon. Some Androids have different sets of features, but here in my Android, I just have to look for display and brightness. And then here under display and brightness, I can see this auto brightness. And in order for me, or in order for you to disable auto brightness, you just have to toggle this one off. Also, aside from that, you can also scroll down here and then tap on this auto screen off, and you can just simply set this to 30 minutes. But since our tutorial is how to disable auto brightness, just turn this one off and that's it. You can also decrease or increase the brightness right here. Everything is up to you. Now, what is the advantage of disabling auto brightness on Android? So disabling auto brightness on Android device can offer several advantages such as better battery management, personal preference and comfort, and avoid sudden changes in brightness. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.